Hello, my name is Luis and welcome to this video. I'm here to show some design pattern I already use working as a .NET developer. Some things like singleton used to instance logs, for example, creates only one instance. Factory to create object based on logic, abstract factory. Strategy to switch actions in execution time. Observer to notify objectives when something's changed. Decorator adding functionalities to an object without to change your structure. And builder building objects step by step. So here I'm using Swagger to demonstrate in API the project. Here singleton, I can execute, check the console output. Here I'm using toLog. To log, for example, messages to the console using a single instance. This follows this singleton pattern. Here to log message. Return to Swagger. Here the factory. I can describe, for example, the type, bullet or fix to payment. And I give the response. I receive the response. Factory execute for type fix. If I set boleto, factory execute for type boleto. Here on the code, they have the path, the type it allows if payment as a fix or boleto, and boleto payments as a class, to processing boleto payment, logging. Here I'm not persisting any data. It's only in memory to show the object of this video is only show the patterns. Here I'm using DDD with API, application, domain, infrastructure, and tests. Okay, let's back to Swagger. And strategy. Calculate text 15. Here is strategy. To calculate, for example, taxes in Brazil or taxes in the United States, calculate. Here's the difference. I take the strategy. So here US I can change. So let's set a breakpoint, execute. This switch the text based on the class I set. That's the strategy. The observer, try it out, execute. Observers notified, it should notify. Here I can notify, for example, to email notifier, SMS, when a payment received, for example, payment confirmed, and the observers are notified. Okay, decorator. Decorator executed. Its decorator here, it's to check the fraud for basic payments. You can verify every time the payment process run if there are some problems or frauds to checks every time. And it's the view. Execute. Method picks amount 500. Description service payments. Let's back to builder. This HTTP get endpoint. Setting the method, the amount, the description, and building. And basically it's creating the object step by step, like setting the method, setting the amount, setting the description, and building the project. So I hope I explained it well. If there's some doubts, I'm here to discuss, to listen anyone. Thank you. Bye.